This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Gemini AWD-23 TE is a Class B+ RV. It is located in Houston, Texas 77511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a London fog interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B+ features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Gemini AWD-23 TE is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.